Tonight's tea is a sort of fish pasta, and in true cookie fashion, I have prepared on my onion side, although that's upside down to the viewer, my onions, my very nice olives, capers, which are poor man's capers because these are nasturtium seeds which I have pickled. And they're very good because you can eat all parts, I think, of the nasturtium, probably not the roots. And these are jalapenos, which are also homegrown chilies, which have then been pickled to create jalapenos. I've got some parsley, and then I'm about to use my, this thing to grate. Oh, this is really hard. There's my onions cooking. My sardines ready. Pasta water will take a bit longer now because I've taken the lid off. But I don't want my onions to burn. We've added the chili flakes. I put some chili flakes in. Jalapenos, capers, olives, which I'm chopping up. And using one of my favourite children's, designed for children. Oh look, this has gone red, this frying pan. Apparently this frying pan, this handle goes red at optimum cooking time. I've not seen it do that before. Very clever. Obviously a Welsh frying pan, red for Wales. 1, 2. Give it a swirl. Someone needs to set a timer, which probably won't be me. Do you want to show the camera? In here I have obviously what I had before, plus the sardines and lemon juice and the oil from the sardines. Healthy tea. Going crazy, need to turn it down a bit. I've got to say the gas boils really quickly. Oh, I'm going to put the parsley in now. We have a little bit to garnish. And then, viewers, my very famous within our family, Miss Kitty, which is a strainer that we bought and brought back from Switzerland many years ago. And, whoa, wasn't used that much at home. And it's been ideal for the van. In fact, we've bought very little for the van. We bought this frying pan, partly because our frying pans at home are pretty rubbish. So now Miss Kitty comes into action. It's much easier doing this with rubber gloves on. Now, because this is a pasta meal without a traditional creamy sauce, I keep some of the... I'm going to put the pasta in here because otherwise we'll have... Oh, that's quite a lot of water. 2 very dirty pans. Maybe not. That's the timer for the pasta.
And that is how you cook pasta alla sardine in a camper van.